Hi, it's James here from Camping Travel Store. We've had a couple of phone calls regarding pegging out in the storms, so we just thought we'd go over a cross pegging technique and another one that we've used previously as well. So this first one will be your standard guy line coming down through the ring, peg at 45 degrees into the ground right the way down. It's only protruding to show you something else in a moment. When people talk about cross pegging, they're talking about two pegs that literally cross. So they're going through the loop, one's going left, one's going right, and they're going in like that. They're going crossways. Now they get banged into the ground as well, very secure. There is a third way, which involves another peg and a piece of rope. So with this one protruding maybe an inch out the ground, you need a piece of rope and do a simple slip knot. Put it over the head and put it round to the back and make sure it's tight. On the other end, do another slip knot. Now again, we're going to tension this one off, bring it back as far as we can, and we're going to put it in under tension. Now, this one will alleviate this one being pulled forward. You've now got to pull two pegs forward and out the ground with the attaching cord being at the lowest point. This will give it far superior strength, and you can put these in series if need be, one after the other. So that's just a different technique that not many people sort of refer to. Everyone refers to the cross pegging technique, but if you haven't got these pegs, the rock pegs, it's difficult to get two of these through the loops. But this is another way it can be done. So stay safe out there. It's James here from Camping Travel Store, and thank you for watching.